See what we got outside here. This is the day after the snow. The icicles are up there. My dog's gonna try to go out here if he can. He's never seen this much snow in all his life, I guarantee you that. He don't know what to think. Bubby, you can come back in if you want. He's gonna try to go out in this. Be careful, Bubby. I don't leave him out here too long. He's not made for outside weather. So I don't know how much snow we got. I think on that I have to get some of it's drifted on there on the table, but there's the shed. Probably about at least 4 inches there, maybe. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, Monday morning. It's blowing and drifting. He's doing his business over there. I'm not trying to show him. Come on back in, Bubby. I ain't gonna leave him outside here. He's coming back in. He knows it's cold. And I just wanted to show everyone what this looks like. Monday morning, January 6th. Have a good day.